Today I'm near a lake. Hear about water. And you can see my lake. You can see my inner tube down there to play on my lake. Well, today we're going to do Scholastic, My Big World by Clifford. We don't have a copy of it, but that's okay. I got it and I thought I'd share it with you since we're still in summer and it's still been nice and warm. People are still swimming. It's Splish, Splash, Summer. Summer swimming keeps us cool, keeps us cool, keeps us cool. Summer swimming keeps us cool. Safe, follow safety rules. Summer swimming keeps us cool, keeps us cool, keeps us cool. Summer swimming keeps us cool. Follow safety rules. Think big. Why is it important to be safe around water? Water. We don't breathe water, we breathe air. So if we get in the water and we can't keep our head above water, we can drown. So we have to be safe around water. This story tells us some of those safety rules. Is it safe? Give a thumbs up to show what is safe. Give a thumbs down to show what's not safe. So number one here in our magazine. Is it safe to swim with a grown-up? Remember, back quite a few lessons ago, we talked about that one. We said yes. Thumbs up. Yeah, it's safe. Someone can help you, get you from under the water to above the water if you are under the water too long. They can help you stay afloat. Number two, is it safe to walk carefully by the pool or the lake, or maybe you're at a lake and you're on the dock. There's Lake St. Clair close to our house. I know maybe some of you got to go see one of our teachers and go on a boat ride. You were on a dock. So is it safe to be running down? Do you want someone to be running, pushing your wheelchair really fast, out of control when you're near water? Is that safe? No, that wouldn't be safe. So is it safe to walk carefully by the pool? Yeah, thumbs up. That's safe. Here's number three. What he's doing? He's running. Is it safe to run by the pool or run on the dock? No, not safe. You need to walk. You wouldn't want to trip on something and fall into the water accidentally. You should. Number four. I'm just, folding to get that visual field smaller. So you can do the same when you're working in your papers. Is it safe to wear a life jacket on a boat? Yes. Actually, there's police on lakes and areas where you would use your boat, and you can get in trouble for not wearing a life jacket. That's how important it is. Life jackets keep us afloat if we fall out of the boat for some reason. So it's a big rule. Life jackets. Always have a life jacket on if you're on a boat. Even Miss Dana, I'm grown up and I still wear my life jacket. Yeah. Amen. I'll show you my life jacket. Here's my life jacket. Every time I go out on my boat, I wear my life jacket.
What happened?
Oh, it's okay. I just tripped over the lamp. It's all right.
Huh?
It's okay.
What's
All right.
that?
Is it safe to listen to the lifeguard?
Okay, the cat.
Yes, it's safe. All right. Clifford's big idea. You can be water safe.
Okay.
Jack is excited to go swimming, but there is no grown-up around. What should he do? Remember our first rule said it's safe to swim with a grown-up. So you know what Jack needs to do? He needs to wait. Wait till there's a grown-up. Not safe to swim alone. Why is waiting for a grown-up the safe thing to do? Remember, we said we needed someone around to watch in case something happens and we start to stay under the water too long and we start to maybe drown. We need someone there to help us. How do grown-ups keep kids safe in the water? Like we said, if we can't swim very well, they can help us learn how to swim better so we can be safer in the water. And they're there to watch us. You know, if we have a seizure in the water, we need someone to come and get us. So if you remember back at school when we go swimming in the pool, there's always people in the pool with you, and there's always someone sitting out on the deck. And everyone that's there, all the teachers and parapros that are there with you to help you learn to swim and do your therapy in the pool, they're there to keep you safe. So you don't drown when you're there in the school pool. So I hope you have a good summer and you stay safe around the water. Our last one here is think big, super summer S words. Name the things below. What sound do they start with? Circle them in the big picture. We got sunglasses. Can you find any sunglasses? Let's see. Oh, there's the sunglasses. They're there on the girl's face. Swing. Do you see the swing? Yeah. Right here. You can circle it. Sunscreen. Oh, it's kind of small. It's next to the ball. Not the soccer ball, the beach ball. There it is. We can circle it. Sun. Well, I know where to find the sun when it's out. It's up in the sky. There it is. It's even a circle. Soccer ball. Oh, I gave you a hint earlier. Yep, it's right here. Sandals. Sandals are worn on feet. So I don't think it'd be the kids that are in the water. They wouldn't be wearing their sandals. And Clifford, his feet are too big. He can't wear sandals. And Clifford's friend, She's about to jump into the water, so she doesn't have sandals on. Let's see, who's got sandals? Oh, there. The lifeguard's got sandals on, so we can circle sandals. Sailboat. I know sailboats sail in water, so I don't think I'd see them on land. Oh, hey, wait. There's another pair of sandals over there. There's our sailboat. And our last one is sun hat. It's important. Remember when we had our lesson about wearing a sun hat or wearing sunscreen so that we're safe out in the sun? So let's see, who's got sun hats on? I see one girl, she's even swimming with one. And that's okay, you can swim with your sun hat on. And then the lifeguard's got one. She's got like a baseball cap on, but it still helps keep the sun off of her face. I think that's it. Good job. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today and that you enjoy the rest of your summer. And stay safe.